Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you another new feature in the Canva. This one now is related to the docs. From now we can create drop-down menus in the docs with just with a few clicks, which is pretty amazing if you are using docs a lot. Like we can create this predefined drop-down menus, or we can create our own. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as you can see, I already created 4 tasks and with 4 different menus or settings. If I click on this, you can see there's already a drop-down menu. This is a predefined one with not started, in progress, blocked, under review, or completed. And we can change very easy, one by one. And this is to completed. And it's pretty easy to use. And it's so amazing, I think. And of course, we can change settings if you want, but nah, that's not that important. First, I would like to show you how it works. So this is just set it to age 1, also called task 1. And the tasks, we also create some sub task 1, sub task 2. So I just add one space, and here if we hovering the mouse to the plus button, or you can also see there is a quick action button for it. Just click on it, scrolling down, and here we can find a drop down. And as you can see, this one they already used, which was actually the status. As you can see, there is a predefined ones like this. Same, this is status, also rating, effort, timing, priority, and approval. Also, that's why I create also again the status is also start in progress. Subtask, we can create the same, like to managing task. So this one is also status, under review, and this one also drop down, but this is completed. So even we can create like this with a hierarchy. So we can see there is I just put one by one with a different kind of task, but here I create one, task 1 is still in progress due to the subtask 1 is under review, but already the subtask 2 is completed. I think that's pretty easy to manage this with task list, but also with all the other options. What I would like to show you again. So here, status, rating, effort, timing, or priority, or we can create our own. And just, okay, that was not the best what I did. So here I can change the name, option 1, but I keep it like this. Also can add the color, like this green. Option 2, give it yellow. Option 3 will be blue. And if needed, we can add option 4, could be pink. And as you can see, now it's the drop down menu is here, and I can choose between the different options what I selected. So this is how we can create our own drop-down menus. And as you can see, we also can add some animation or some logos inside, or some special characters, just to make more funny, like in completed with a check mark, or under review with the eyes, in programs with the pen, or just leave it like this with just the name. And this is also, I think, a pretty cool thing if you are using docs here a lot, especially for these flow charts or anything, like when you need to mark somehow the process or something else, what you can see in the dropdown on it's based on your creativity. It's a pretty easy to manage from now in the docs, also with these different drop-down menus. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you miss anything from the tutorial, or you struggling anything with Canva. And please visit also my Facebook page, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation with, for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.